Federal High Court sitting in Lagos State on Wednesday remanded Jude Okoye, the ex-manager and elder brother of Peter and Paul of P Square, to Ikoyi prison over allegations of stealing billions of naira belonging to his younger twin brothers by thus creating an almost similar company name, Northside Music, to collect P Square royalties that ought to belong to the original company, Northside Entertainment. Details of the report as presented by the Public Relations Unit of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, reads in full below. The Lagos Zonal Directorate of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on Wednesday, February 26, 2025, arraigned Jude Okoye Chigozie, older brother and ex-manager of Paul and Peter Okoye of the defunct P Square Music Group, before Justice A.O.O.A. of the Federal High Court, sitting in Ikoyi, Lagos. He was arraigned alongside his company, Northside Music Limited, on a 7-count charge bordering on money laundering to the tune of 1.38 billion nairas, $1 million and 34,537 pounds and 59 pence. One of the charges reads, that you, Jude Okoye Chigozie and Northside Music Limited, sometimes in 2022, in Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, did directly acquire a landed property known as Number 5, Tony Eromosele Street, Parkview Estate, Ikoyi, Lagos, worth 850 million nairas, 850 million naira only, which money you knew or reasonably ought to have known forms part of proceeds of unlawful act and thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 18(2)(d) and punishable under Section 18(3) of the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition Act, 2022. Another charge reads, that you, Jude Okoye Chigozie and Northside Music Limited, sometimes in 2022, in Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, did indirectly using bureau de change, converted the sum of $1,019,762.87, $1,019,762.87, domiciled in Access Bank PLC operated by Northside Music Limited, to the naira equivalent and remitted into various bank accounts with intention of concealing that the said fund formed part of the proceeds of an unlawful act and thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 18(2)(a) and punishable under Section 18(3) of the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition Act, 2022. He pleaded not guilty to the charges, following which prosecution counsel, LP ASU, applied for a trial date and for Okoye to be remanded in a correct